Problem with me and pina coladas is that it's like I'm like a little kid. I think it's just a slushy. I drink 4 of them in 15 minutes, and I'm hungover in a half an hour. But, you know, you do it a couple times in the summer, and it's worth it. Especially when you earn it. You know, you're on the beach all day. It's hot. You go home or you go somewhere. You got your little pina colada. You know, they charge you at a store. It costs you $10. You make it at home. Pennies on the dollar. Hey guys, today in the test kitchen we're going to be doing BA's Best Pina Colada. One of my favorite drinks, believe it or not. Perfect in the summertime. You know, you got that little tropical coconut, you got a little bit of that, you know, the pineapple, you got your little rum, a little bit of lime juice. This is a recipe I made. I really enjoy it. So let's make it together, huh?
Brad, there's like a song or something that's about this.
Song?
Isn't there a song with pina coladas?
I never heard of a song about pina coladas.
No?
Anyways. So, yeah, you want to go find a nice ripe pineapple. And if you can't find a ripe one, let it sit out and, you know, on your counter for a little bit. You want it to get a little soft, a little fragrant. Some people, they go like pulling some of these inner leaves out, and if they release easily, it's ripe or whatever. But I just like to go by smell and touch. So we need half of this. So I like to take the top off, cutting out as much as the eyes and stuff. They like to call those little things eyes. Not really quite sure why. Because you don't want any of that nasty stuff in your drink. This is nice. You can tell it's nice and juicy. You want something that's, you know, almost a little overripe, so the sugars are real present, and that's where all that big pineapple flavor is going to come from. So then we'll take the core out. I just like to have it and then quarter it. You can just cut that out. And then I just like to cut it into little chunks. Small little bite-sized chunks like that. We're going to throw it in a Ziploc bag and freeze it until it's completely, you know, frozen solid. So we want it to be a frozen drink, and might as well freeze this, and it's just going to add to that nice consistency you want in a pina colada. So we'll throw this into the bag, and we'll pop that in the freezer. This would be something that'd be nice to do like the day ahead. So we'll pop that in the freezer, come back probably about 3 hours. Oh, 3 hours later, perfect, frozen. We have these Vitamix blenders, very nice. I like to use, you know, something that has a little bit of power to it, you know, because we're going to be blending up ice, frozen pineapple. So first thing I'll add is the frozen pineapple. And then here, this is that Coco Lopez. And it's kind of just like a real sweet coconut. I'm not quite sure what it is, but it's like a coconut syrup. Secret ingredient, Coco Lopez. You can find it in like just general bad supermarkets. Or good old Jeff Bezos, he'll sell it to you. Pour that right in. But a little white rum in there. This is 1 cup. It works. It's a good measurement. If you wanted to add a little more, knock yourself out a little less, or just no booze. If you want to make, what do they call them, virgin pina coladas, take out the booze and you can still have a good time, you know? You don't need booze to have a good time. You just need a nice frosty drink. Maybe a little booze. This is unsweetened coconut milk. That's a nice little touch too. It gives it a little bit of creaminess, a little extra coconut flavor, because the pineapple is pretty dominant. So the Coco Lopez and the coconut milk really makes a nice combo. And then I like to add a little bit of lime juice. This is 2 tablespoons. And that just brightens everything up, help all those flavors pop. Cool, so we got that. I'm gonna add the ice, and we're gonna blend this up. It's gonna get a little loud in here. Oh, Vitamix, if you ever happen to see this video, we don't have any more of the tops, so I gotta use this little glass jar. Can we just get some tops? All right, here we go. You ready? I'm going to give it a little stir. You don't want to go blending it too long, because as you're blending, you're also creating a lot of friction, and it's going to heat it up, and, you know, it is a frozen beverage after all. I'm going to give it a little stir here. You see? It's got a nice little frozen consistency. Sometimes, you know, I know this says BA's Best, but sometimes you want a little twang. I like to throw a little or even a quarter of a frozen banana in there. Gives it a nice thickness and a little more roundness to it. And then I like to add sometimes just a little bit of fresh mint, and it gets like a little speckly, minty. Oh, it's nice. But we're going to stay classic today. So once that's all mixed up, we'll give it one more little blend. So it's got like a decent little texture to it right now. You know, like that don't look too bad, right? What I like to do is you take the whole blender, put the top back on it, and I like to just pop it in the freezer, all right? Get your glasses ready, pop that thing back on the blender. Oh, so we had this in the freezer for about 25, 35 minutes. And it starts to set up a little bit, keeps it real nice and cold. It'll help with the consistency of it. I like to give it a quick little zhuzh in the blender. Nothing crazy, just to reconstitute everything. Now it should be nice and frothy, nice and frozen drinky. And we got these nice little glasses, all right? You can use whatever you want. We got these cool little tiki glasses, a pint glass. These little cute guys, these will work just fine. Slice up a couple limes real quick. All right. Look at that, nice and froth. Nice consistency there. Oh, that's the stuff. And I like to do a little dark rum floater on the top. Just a little extra, little pal-yow. You know, if you're at a bar, you can ask for that. They'll charge you. But, you know, yeah, sometimes it's worth it. Look at that. Oh, a little cherry on there. Look, I got a little dark rum here. Oh, we're getting saucy. And then I'll do another little blop of that. Oh, that's it. A little straw. Okay. You know, they just don't make these things like they used to. Must have got this one at the dollar store, Tommy. All right, good. It's good enough. Boom. Huh? Keep your drink in the shade. Everyone's happy. And you don't have to do the dark rum floater, you know. You can just go to dish. Oh, yeah, that's it. A little cherry. All right. A little red straw so we know who's who.
Moved it all.
Oh, mama. Hey, Molly, Andy. Hey, don't go running. You guys want a pina colada? Hey, where are you going? All right.
Oh, God. You guys got tiki glasses?
Yeah, look at this, huh?
Amazing. Okay.
Look. This one's for you.
Oh, why do I get the baby one?
Oh, look, this one's for you.
Thank you. Because
And if you
I
want
a rum floater.
Oh, yeah, you
And
gotta
this
have
one
it.
has room for it.
Yeah, you gotta have the rum for
I'm just gonna have this.
it. Andy, come on.
It's still, it's 3 o'clock. I have a long day.
Yeah, you know what?
Yeah, sure.
Is this BA's best?
BA's best. What do you think?
It's fucking delicious.
Ooh,
It's so good.
Friggin' delicious.
It really is.
it's tasty.
Yeah,
It
Coco
tastes-
Lopez.
It tastes like sunscreen in the best way possible.
All right,
You know?
I'll take that as a compliment.
Boozy sunscreen.
Boozy sunscreen.
I'm addicted to sunscreen, so it's
You want to drink that in like 5 minutes, right?
Yeah, I can't. I
I
have
know.
to teach
I'm
tonight.
gonna get a hangover.
I gotta go.
I know, you gotta hang it.
Bye.
But they're good, and it's, you know, fun times in the summer. Thought these guys were cool. Gabby, pina colada?
Take a little sip.
Oh, jeez, what is with these people and their sips?
Well, it's 3 o'clock in the
Here, I made this one
afternoon,
just for you.
And I have to keep working. Let's see. Oh, I like this color.
Now, it's been sitting out for a few, so it should be a little more frozen.
All right, let's try. I like it. Can I take it? Bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you.
Guess I'll drink all these. Cool. Like I said, you can freeze your fruit, you know, your pineapple ahead of time, and just, you know, invite some friends over, have some fun. It's a great, you know, everyone loves a pina colada, especially, you know, it captures the summer. So before it's too late, you know, August, my favorite month of the summer, especially here on the East Coast. Enjoy it, make some pina coladas, have fun. Bon appetit.
Awesome.
Cheers. Tommy, you were talking before about that, you know, everyone knows that pina colada song. But a little fun fact for you, right? It was an English guy, Rupert Holmes. Okay, he wrote it. You like pina colada? You know, he was trying to cheat on his wife. Huh. See what alcohol do to you, folks? And take 3.